All right, first we're going to learn Cursive N. And remember what a printed N looks like? Right there in the blue box. Now, we always have our lines that lead in from the previous letter and out to the next letter. Here you can see those in blue dotted lines, and that makes a really easy transition to Cursive N. So put your finger on the green dot and follow the blue line up to the dotted line, down around back to the base red line. Switching to purple, we go up again to the dotted, down to the baseline red, and sweep away. Nice job. Now let's try to make some smaller ones. We're going to start with the new learner line. Try to make 3 ends in a row, always remembering that cursive slant that we like to focus on. Next, let's try to do a challenge line. Whether you move to the should do or the bottom aspire to do line, try to make 3 more ends of a smaller size, and then try to do an RN combo. We're going to make an R and then slowly lead into an N, and if you have extra time, you can make other letter combos with letters you've already learned. Next, we're going to learn letter M. As always, we're going to begin by thinking about our familiarity with the printed M. There it is up in the box. And as always, also we're going to have our lead in line and our lead out line. So this one looks very similar to its printed counterpart. And now we're just going to clear our slate. And you can follow along with me on the green dot. You can skywrite, you can do it with the screen, you can do it on your notebook. Starting at the green dot, we're going to sweep a blue line all the way up to the dotted line, down, sweeping gracefully around and down to the red baseline. Then we're going to, with our purple, we're going to come back up, retracing part of our blue line, up to the dotted and down to the red. Always keeping that nice cursive slant. And now with yellow, we're going to come up again, retracing part of our purple, touching that dotted line and gracefully sweeping back down to the baseline and then away. Next, we're going to try some cursive M's in a row. Remember, you can always start with that new learner line, or if you're more comfortable at this point, you can start with the should do line, the middle one, or the aspire to do line, the tiniest last one. I also want you to take a moment to do an EM combo, whatever spacing is working for you. You can make a few separate M's and then try one word at the end, the word man. Just sweeping from M to A to N.